Hello everyone, and welcome to our roundtable discussion on bioidentical hormone replacement therapy and the role of Xymogen supplements in promoting health and wellness. I'm Dr. Brenda Smith, an OB-GYN specializing in midlife women's health and the founder of the Midlife Wellness Center in Kansas City. Joining me today are Dr. Alex Thompson, an endocrinologist with extensive experience in hormone therapies, Dr. Susan Miller, a licensed practitioner specializing in bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, Karen Davis, a patient advocate and BHRT user, Mark Johnson, a certified nutritionist, Emily Chen, a nutritional supplement expert, John Wilson, a representative from Xymogen. Thank you all for being here. Let's dive right in. Dr. Thompson, could you start by explaining the differences in patient experiences and outcomes between bioidentical hormone replacement therapy and traditional hormone replacement therapy, particularly in terms of symptom relief and overall quality of life?
Certainly, Dr. Smith. Patients using BHRT often report a more tailored experience compared to traditional HRT. Bioidentical hormones are chemically identical to the hormones produced by our bodies, such as estradiol and progesterone. This identical structure allows for better integration into the body's systems, potentially leading to more effective symptom relief and fewer side effects. Patients frequently mention improvements in mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. On the other hand, traditional HRT uses synthetic hormones in standardized doses, which may not align as closely with an individual's hormonal needs, sometimes resulting in less optimal outcomes.
Thank you for that clarification. Dr. Miller, as a practitioner specializing in BHRT, could you elaborate on how this personalized approach benefits patients? Absolutely, Dr. Smith. The personalized nature of BHRT allows us to customize treatment plans based on each patient's unique hormonal profile. We consider factors like age, specific symptoms, lifestyle, and even environmental exposures. By tailoring the hormone types and dosages, we can address symptoms more effectively. For example, a patient experiencing severe hot flashes and mood swings might benefit from a different hormone combination than someone dealing with decreased libido and insomnia. This individualized approach often leads to quicker symptom relief and enhances overall quality of life. That's insightful. Karen, as someone who has personally experienced BHRT, could you share your journey and how it has impacted your life?
Of course, Dr. Smith. Before starting BHRT, I was struggling with debilitating hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings that affected both my personal and professional life. I felt like I was on an emotional roller coaster. After consulting with Dr. Miller and starting BHRT, I noticed significant improvements within a few weeks. The hot flashes diminished, my mood stabilized, and I regained my energy. The personalized treatment made all the difference. I felt heard and understood, and the therapy addressed my specific needs.
That's wonderful to hear, Karen. Your experience highlights the potential benefits of a personalized approach. Thompson, could you discuss how factors like age, duration of therapy, and exposure to endocrine disruptors influence the effectiveness of BHRT?
Certainly. Age is a significant factor. Initiating BHRT around the onset of menopause can maximize benefits. The duration of therapy also matters. Long-term use can provide sustained symptom relief, but requires careful monitoring to mitigate potential risks, such as cardiovascular issues. Exposure to endocrine disruptors, chemicals found in some plastics, cosmetics, and pesticides, can interfere with hormone function and may affect how patients respond to BHRT. Reducing exposure to these substances can enhance the therapy's effectiveness. It's crucial to consider all these factors when developing a comprehensive treatment plan.
Excellent points. Mark, as a nutritionist, how do you see dietary factors playing a role in conjunction with BHRT?
Diet plays a pivotal role in hormone balance and overall health. Certain nutrients can support the body's natural hormone production and improve the efficacy of BHRT. For example, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil supplements like Xymogen's Omega Monopure support cardiovascular health and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial during hormone therapy. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can help mitigate side effects and promote overall wellness.
That's very informative. Emily, as a nutritional supplement expert, could you expand on the benefits of XenoProtX? Absolutely. XenoProtX is formulated with a blend of nutrients and botanicals that support phase 2 liver detoxification pathways. Ingredients like N-acetyl-L-cysteine, alpha-lipoic acid, and green tea extract enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins, including endocrine disruptors and xenoestrogens. By supporting detoxification, Xymogen can help balance hormone levels and reduce the burden on the endocrine system, which is particularly beneficial for patients on BHRT. That's very helpful. Miller, probiotics are often mentioned in discussions about overall health. How does ProbioMax fit into patient care? Probiotics like ProbioMax play a crucial role in maintaining gut health, which is foundational to overall well-being. A healthy gut microbiome aids in nutrient absorption, supports the immune system, and even influences mood and hormonal balance. ProbioMax contains multiple strains of beneficial bacteria, providing a broad spectrum of support. For patients on BHRT, a healthy gut can enhance the effectiveness of therapy and help manage side effects. Excellent. Emily, could you share insights on the K2D3 5000 supplement and its importance? Certainly. K2D3 5000 combines vitamins K2 and D3, which work synergistically to promote bone and cardiovascular health. Vitamin D3 enhances calcium absorption, while vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is directed to the bones rather than accumulating in the arteries. This is particularly important for postmenopausal women who are at increased risk of osteoporosis and cardiovascular issues. By supporting proper calcium utilization, this supplement helps maintain strong bones and a healthy cardiovascular system. Very informative. Karen, have you incorporated any of these supplements into your routine?
Yes, I have. Alongside BHRT, I started taking Omega Mono Pure and ProbioMax. The Omega Mono Pure has helped improve my energy levels, and I feel that my cardiovascular health has benefited. The ProbioMax has made a noticeable difference in my digestive health. I feel less bloated and have more regular digestion. Combining these supplements with BHRT has really enhanced my overall well-being.
That's wonderful to hear. Mark, bone health is a significant concern, especially for women in midlife. Which Xymogen products support bone health?
Osapan MD is an excellent product for promoting bone health. It provides microcrystalline hydroxyapatite concentrate, or MCHC, which is a highly absorbable form of calcium derived from whole bone. It contains the full spectrum of minerals and proteins found in bone tissue, including phosphorus, magnesium, and collagen. This comprehensive approach supports bone density and strength, helping to prevent osteoporosis.
Dr. Thompson, could you elaborate on the importance of comprehensive bone health support? Emily, could you discuss any precautions or considerations patients should be aware of when using products like Colisure? Certainly. While red yeast rice is effective in managing cholesterol, it contains monocolin K, which is chemically identical to the active ingredient in some prescription statins. This means it can have similar side effects, such as muscle pain or liver enzyme elevations. Patients should consult their healthcare provider before starting Colisure, especially if they are already taking cholesterol-lowering medications. Monitoring liver function tests may also be advisable. That's an important consideration. Karen, have you had any experience with DHEA supplementation?
Yes, actually. Under the guidance of my healthcare provider, I started using nano-formulated DHEA+. I noticed improvements in my energy levels and mood. It seemed to complement the BHRT well. Of course, I had my hormone levels monitored regularly to ensure everything stayed balanced.
That's great to hear. It's crucial to monitor hormone levels when supplementing with DHEA. John, could you tell us about Xymogen's commitment to quality and why healthcare practitioners might choose your products?
Absolutely, Dr. Smith. Xymogen is dedicated to providing high-quality, evidence-based supplements. We use premium ingredients and adhere to strict good manufacturing practices, GMP, certified by NSF International. Our products undergo rigorous third-party testing for purity and potency. We also implement traceability systems like ePedigree to ensure product authenticity. Healthcare practitioners trust Xymogen because we prioritize safety, efficacy, and transparency, allowing them to confidently recommend our products to their patients.